Our first serve we're going to talk about today is a cut spin serve. So that my motion is going to be like this. So the ball will turn and it should turn left to right and bounce, continuing bouncing to the right, and it'll bounce a little bit low. It looks like this.
If you'll notice what I'm doing here, I'm pulling my arm across my body. So I'm going from right to left. I'm cutting across probably at about a 45-degree angle. I'm moving my arm and my wrist is lagging slightly behind my arm, which is adding spin to the ball. It really helps to have a nice gritty paddle as well. So when you're swiping across the ball, make sure your weight is in the back foot, and as you're coming forward and you cross the ball, you're transferring your weight from your back foot to the front foot so you can add good pace to this. I really like using this against right-handers. If I'm on the right side or the even side, I will try to cut that ball as close as I can to the middle line, and it will continue to bounce right, which is what it's doing is taking my receiver on that side over into the other receiver's court, and it opens up the entire left side as I'm facing my opponents. If I'm on the left side or the odd side serving, it's the same thing. I'm trying to cut across that, and I'm trying to take that as close as I can to the right sideline, pulling the right-handed opponent over, making them, if they're going to hit forehand, they're going to have to go off the court. If they're going to hit backhand, it's going to be a defensive return, and that again opens up the entire left side. Give that a try.
Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming video where we break down the essential volley shots that can take your game to the next level.